Alright guys, not my finest day, I'll say that. Definitely a day where I'm going to go in and learn some stuff looking back at the cards and whatnot. But not a total disaster. So, you know, we had this high a little bit early, a little frustrating. Depending on what chart you look at, there was like a big spike right here. Yeah, they have a way of doing that, E-Trade. Anyhow, so we had this pretty sharp decline here. We should have some rallying out of it. I mean, the remaining cards are pretty bullish. There's some like decline in here towards the end. What concerns me is that we've got this low correlator at the end of the day. And really the rallies that increased with momentum, they were correlating to like the 10 to 11 and the 12 to 1-ish time frame. So if we don't see like a pretty decent rally here, I'd say we're gonna probably go. I'm expecting a rally there, but again, we want to be opening up protection in the midst of the high. The high was all the way up here. I don't foresee us coming back to that. So what I've done is I've gone in and I've just bought some far out, deep out of the money protection. Or I wouldn't call it protection, more like speculation. I got some 337 puts. I guess they're not that far away, but October 9th expiration, I'm looking to sell those on Friday. And I didn't spend a lot of money because based on the 1 month, this Ace of Discs is it's been a really tricky card to read because it speaks about a new critical support being established. In a lot of cases, it's a decline to a new like critical support. But in some cases, there's a rally and you have a new, like, higher support. So it's a bit tricky, and then we've got that high and low kind of stacked, correlations stacked on top of each other with, like, this wild swinging stuff going on here. So I wanted to be careful. I went and I bought some puts that are out of the money, looking to sell them on the 14th, or maybe the 13th, dependent, but I think probably the 14th here, around the low. I left my calls on the table because there's a good shot that the high's on Monday based on what's transpired today. But, I mean, I've been so wrong on this day, which is so rare to be this wrong on a day. Like, it caused a little bit of doubt in my part, so that's why I put on these 337 puts. They're like they were under $1. I didn't want to spend $1, you know? Not yet. I know that we're going down significantly, right? But there's a high here. We had the majority of that high early in the week. I would have expected more of it to happen transpiring over the week rather than the first early part of the week, so I kind of missed out on a big chunk of that. With that said, I think we probably do have... just checking my volume there. We probably do have a high here. And we sell pretty hard from there. Right, high early in the day, low late in the day. I think we probably have a low at the end of the day here, and then the psi correlator comes into place the following day. And you got Ace of Discs all over this. Ace of Discs here. For whatever reason, it doesn't have me signed into chat. I don't know why it's doing that. God, it's so annoying when it does this. Like, I gotta log out and I gotta cancel this. I think, like, start a new live.